Now I can sit outside and enjoy my drink with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm out here. It's hot. It's a nice summer day, and you might want to sit outside with a cold beverage. I've got a Barks root beer here. Oh man, I've loved Barks my whole life. But listen, when you are outside, there is a natural problem that you have with the drink. Where to put it, right? Maybe you're eating some food, maybe you're having a barbecue, maybe you just want to get up and walk around. You don't want to put your drink on the ground because then someone's going to kick it over, bugs are going to get into it, that type of thing. So I picked this up. This is actually a 4-pack, and as you can see here, it kind of looks a little bit like a candle holder, but it's meant to hold beverages, and I want to just show this to you. So this little device comes in 2 pieces. We have the holder right up here, 2 rings. It's kind of like iron, but it's not that heavy. And then it has a little platform for the cup to sit on. Then it has this post with a little threaded receiver right there. And then we have the bottom portion, which actually has this little H-shaped 2-stake bottom so that you can drive this into the ground. And then we have a little threaded end here, which will go into the bottom of there. So let's put it together. All right, it's fully assembled now, and if I take out the 6 inches or so for the little spikes on the bottom, it probably stands about 30 inches, 29 inches tall. So what you can do here is, if I were standing here at my barbecue and just grilling, I could just push this into the ground like this. So obviously I think you can step on it, which is kind of nice. Drive it in the ground, just like that. Pretty cool. And even though I didn't drive it all the way into the ground, I'm kind of curious if it will hold this unopened full can of pop right there. Look at that. No problem. And you can see how big that is. If you have a large drink, a big stainless steel vacuum tumbler or something, you can put it in there, a tall wine glass, a beer bottle, anything you want to keep cool, Tommy, you could certainly put it in there. It's pretty cool. I think it's a really cool idea. Because now, let's say I set up a few chairs out in the lawn or something like this, you could just sit there, have your drink right next to you. You don't have to have a cup holder built into the chair. You don't have to worry about drinks being set on the ground. It's a pretty nifty little simple device, but like I said, a 4-pack of these can go a long way, especially if you're having some people over this summer. So if you want to be able to hold up your pop can anywhere that you have soft ground, then you should pick up a set of these. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. They tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.